everyone, Mary here from Panasonic. On my way to work every day, I take a look up at the Panasonic security cameras, impressed by just how much tech is packed into them. Right now, I'm actually on my way to check out some of the other solutions Panasonic has for security cameras. Let's take a look. Okay guys, now I'm at the Experience Center at Panasonic's North American headquarters, where some of our security solutions are on display. Did you know that our cutting-edge security technologies are being used by law enforcement on college campuses, at hotels, and even in stadiums? But we just don't build hardware. There's a new facial recognition software we developed for our cameras. It's hyper-accurate, using deep learning and artificial intelligence to recognize faces in ways that were never possible before, even if you aren't looking at the camera head-on or are wearing sunglasses. Wow, I even look good in security footage.